What I'm about to say right now is going to piss a lot of people off. And what you'll hear me say is that what you've been thinking your whole life is wrong. It's just wrong. It's so wrong that I might get a lot of hate in the comments for it. And I don't care. I want to help. And to help you, I have to speak my truth, not lie to you. And if you're one of those easily triggered people, please leave. Or at least give this video a full chance. Watch the whole video and then chip in the comments with your own opinion. And please remove yourself from your feelings and your mind, because I'm not a beacon of knowledge or truth by any chance, and I am wrong a lot of times. So let's dive in. Today we're breaking down why having to win only once is such a cool concept, and it's basically one of the only things in life where you have true leverage, meaning the odds are heavily in your favor right from the beginning. And I'll give you some examples. You only have to make one music hit and you're set for life. You only have to start one successful company and you're set for life. And you only have to marry to the right person once and you're set for life. 80% of society are mediocre people who think you need at least 100 things going for you in order to succeed at anything. And they project their limiting beliefs on themselves and on other people. Yeah, bro, he has a good job, he has rich parents, he has a college degree, enough money, luck, he's also lucky. But the truth is that you only need one thing in order for it all to start rolling. And you also need the other things that the guy mentioned, but you only need one thing. You only need to succeed at one thing in order for it all to start snowballing. Like many of you watching this, my character and knowledge couldn't let me go to college. And while I experimented and tried a lot of things, I actually opened up my first marketing agency. Still running to this day, by the way. And you would think that I had a secret tactic that nobody knows in growing my marketing agency and getting clients. But the truth is that I just had one guy who referred me to everybody. And he was the one who ticked off everything. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. It's called the domino effect. You set up dominoes right next to each other in the path you want them to be set up. And then you knock one down and the other one make an impact on each other and everything falls in the right way. Pushing one domino down in the right direction can change your whole life. And people don't believe it until it actually happens to them. And that's what's called being in the zone or being on a roll. And believe it or not, some people can be on the roll or in the zone for 2 to 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. And maybe that's not you and me right now, but all it takes is one thing to push you on that winning path, to get you on a winning streak. But it also comes at a cost, because evil also only needs to win once. And by evil, I mean all the bad things in life. Death, addiction, illness, financial instability, you know the drill. It's a double-edged sword. And all it takes is one thing to set you on a losing path. The path where the dominoes don't fall the way you want them to. The path of pain and suffering. One hit of a drug from somebody who's easily influenced and bam, life's gone. One sip of that drink after work turns into 3, 5, bam, an alcoholic who beats his wife. One wrong habit over the course of years, bam, illness, cancer, death. So evil also only needs to win once. The good thing, the solution, is that you can always bounce back and attack life again the way you want to. And you basically get infinite amounts of chances to get yourself back on the winning path. Infinite until you die. It's one of the most arbitrage leverage things that you get to do in life. You get to try as many times as you can. You get to try as many times as you like. And some things in life you only get to do once or twice and then you're out. For example, falling in real love, choosing your partner, choosing what you want to do in life, your profession, or choosing the city where you want to live in. And for the most part of society, these things, they realistically get to do only once or twice in their whole life. Naval talks about this and he says, spend more time on making the big decisions. And there are 3 big decisions in your life: where you live, what you do, and who you're with. And these are to be very strategic about. With these decisions, you need to take your time. And if you fuck them up, regret will get you from behind. It will bite you by your ass if you mess these decisions up. And these decisions are what you need to think about if you're young. No girls, clubbing, drinking, alcohol, drugs, doing this and that. You should think about these important decisions, because this will shape the rest of your life, the journey of your life. And if you think you're not worthy enough because you don't have the lifestyle or the material things like cars, watches, clothes yet, dude, remember, you get to attack this bitch as many times as you like. And I'll repeat it. You get to attack it as many times as you fucking please until you die. As many times. And that's how you get better. You attack it, you fail, you learn, you iterate with that knowledge, and then you attack it again until you win. This is too simplified. It's a lot more failing and learning than that winning part. But the point is that you get to try. And if you need a formula, a framework on how to succeed and how to iterate and attack it once again, and then win, the APA formula and framework would be the one you should stick by. And I just made it up at this moment. The A stands for angle. So you pick the angle that you want to attack the problem on. The P stands for plan. You plan your attack, and the A stands for attack. You attack it as hard as you can. To show you I'm not bullshitting and to show you how all of this works, just look at my channel. This channel right now. Go look at my videos 3 months ago and look at my videos now. Do you see a change? Do you know how many times all of this pissed me off? Do you know how many times the script for the video that I have right here didn't get finished? Do you know how many times I contemplated titles, thumbnails, descriptions, everything, things you don't even notice? Countless times. Countless times. You can go ahead and watch my boring videos that I have on my channel right now. And people watched those videos and told me, or the analytics showed me that my videos are not that good. Did I blame the YouTube algorithm because it doesn't want to push me? I'm shadow banned. Or did I blame a YouTuber that has all the equipment, people, and all other stuff going for him? Or did I angle, plan, attack my way into you watching this video right now? It's a hell of a fight. And I know there's tons of things going through your head right now when the things are not going the way they're supposed to. Am I talented enough for this? Am I a likable person? Is the writing good? What about the thumbnails? Is this all going to pay off? But in the end, when the dust settles, the only thing you can do is try, fail, iterate, plan, and attack again. I thought I knew a lot about human psychology before doing YouTube, but after doing it, I'm a full-blown human behavior analyst. So to end this topic and move on, you have to attack the problem from as many angles as you can until something clicks. When it doesn't click, you fall back. You analyze, you learn, and then you go at it again. But when it does click, you double down. You go all in. You put all your money on red because the game is rigged in your favor. You're the house now because you get to try as many times as you like. Fortune favors the bold.